So the next step for you might be you'd like to publish that onto your website. So at the moment, we just need to manually upload that. So I pull up the website, I'm looking at the Tweed website here, and I've logged into the admin panel. And if we scroll down, we'll come to Designs, and there's an Edit Designs button. So we'll click on that one. So in here, there are no design ranges. So we will need to create a design range from scratch here. So I'll click on the New Range button, and our new range will be Martin. It's the Martin range. And at the moment, you can't select the main design. You need to select the main design once you've got some designs ready to go to tell the website which one should be presented first to the client. So we'll come back to that. And you can ignore adding a photo here. That's just for your own purposes in the back end. So we'll save that, and that will give us a range. So we've now got a Martin range, and we'll click on New. We'll make our Martin 240. Now you can actually upload house and land packages in this way as well, but we've since created a way for Gyro to automatically upload your house and land packages. So that's what the price is all about. So we'll ignore that for now and move on to the design type. Important to get this right because your clients can search based on this design type. So in my example, we'll keep this as a single home. And it's in the design range Martin. And this is another trap as well. If you don't set an expiry date, it will assume that it has expired. So we need to put one in here. So I'll just pick one in the future. So you may like to set one, in a month's time if it's a design you'd like to not continue with. Say you've only got a month worth of use for that particular design and you'd like it to automatically come down, you can set that date in here. All right, so then you've got your body text for the design in here. And on the right-hand side, we've got some details about the home. And this is all good for searching as well. So we want to put in a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2-car. And you can fill out all these. Just make sure you at least get, say, the living area in there. And a garage. So you can leave the others blank if you'd like, but if you do have details for those, you're more than welcome to put them in. And a house length and house width is also important because that's a search criteria for our clients as well. Oops. All right, so the email and phone number is really just for the house and land packages as well. So we'll skip over that section and we'll come down to the floor plan. So you can browse for a floor plan here, or you can drag and drop a photo in. I'll just drag one in here. And we'll come back to the photos. We'll just save that for now. So now it's telling us we've got a range with the Martin 240 sitting in it. And you need to not forget to come back into this range and choose that main design now. So we'll save that one. All right, so we go to our designs now. We'll scroll down. We'll find the Martin range. So you can see it's got it here. We've got no photos because we haven't uploaded any, but we should be able to click into that design and there's the floor plan that we've uploaded. So now we can go back and put some photos in. So to add the photos, click on the edit button just below this photos section. And similar, you can choose a file or drag and drop your photos in. You get an option here once it's uploaded to crop it. So if you needed to crop it, you can, but this one's pretty much exactly the right size for us. So we'll crop that. And you can add the next photo in. Again, we can crop again. And once you've got it here, you can sort of arrange these photos just by clicking and dragging. Save that one. Back to designs. And now I've got some photos there. All right, so notice we've still got one design here. We can come back and add a second design in a moment. There's our photos again. There's all the text that we put in earlier as well. All right, so as you can see, as we click into a range, normally what we'd see is multiple floor plans sitting here if we've got more designs in that particular range. In this one, we've only got the one that we've created. So we'll go back to the admin panel and create a second one. So we'll add another one to this here. We'll call it the Martin 260. It's also a single. And we'll pop a floor plan in. All right, so we've got the 260 and the 240. We're going to add some images as well. All right, so now we've got two with some images. So we've got two designs here, and you can see here it tells us that the spread of the designs in that range. So our smallest home is 240, the largest is 260. All right, so when we've clicked into this, it's gone to the 240, but our convention with all of our other standards that we've got is that the users click into the largest design. So they can manually click it. Here's the 260 sitting here. I'll take them to that 260, but by default, we'd prefer them to land on your largest design. So we can do that by going back to the admin panel, come back to edit designs, we'll edit the range again, and we'll change the main design. So this is where you tell the website which design should be opened first for that particular range. So now, with any luck, it'll open straight to that 260 design, which it has. All right, so that was just one design range, but you can come through and create other ranges as well. So you might have 3 or 4 different sets of designs that are similar in style. You'd create a new range for each of those and follow this method to get them all on here. All right, I think that concludes my training session, but if anyone's got any last minute questions, please let me know.
Tim, I think we should observe that this just applies to your website, not everyone's website.
Yes, exactly right there. So I've done this on the Tweed website, so only the Tweed website will have this range and these new designs. So if we went to, say, the Brisbane site, designs, the Martin design is not on this page. So when you add your own custom designs, it's only for your own business, for your own website. It doesn't affect anyone else. All right, I think that's probably all we've got for this afternoon. Actually, Ralph's got a question there, so I'll let you talk there, Ralph, if you've got a question.
Hang on.
Ralph?
Yeah, I just noticed on that standard price list that you generated there, there's like, I know when I do that, there's a lot of plans that aren't actually on mine, like a lot of designs we've got that aren't priced. Is that because I need to add them then?
You won't need to add them. This is a fairly comprehensive list, but because we've got so many, it's hard to keep on top of every single one. So it just probably means that our team hasn't had a need to get a particular design on here. But if you have a genuine need as part of our franchise business for a design to be priced, we can get that done for you. So,
yeah, like, can I do the same as what you just did there, just and add any one of these to my standard price list if I find them?
of course, yeah. If you want to price something yourself and you'd call it your own standard, then you certainly can. You could price it up, follow this exact procedure, and it'll end up on your price list as well.
Yeah, righto.
But yeah, the other option is if it's a standard design for the whole entire franchise group and you've got a strong lead for that particular design, we could also have that priced out for you.
Oh, yeah.
All right, but yeah, you're more than welcome to add your own.
Yeah, fair enough.
All right, thanks there, Ralph. All right, thanks again for joining, everyone.